Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about unit number 3, customizing a Word documents. Today we will discuss about Microsoft Word features. First features is count words in a document, find and replace text, insert current date and time in a document. So we write a paragraph in a Microsoft Word document. Apply for first feature of the Microsoft Word. Count words in a document. So Microsoft Word facilitates to users to count our words, paragraph and lines. So start from files and then third option is review. Click this review option and start from and words count. So click this words count. So count page 1 words 34, character no space 180, character with space 213, paragraph 1, lines 5. So we count lines 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Okay. So close this. So apply second feature, find and replace text. Find and replace text. Click Home tab and last from find and replace text. So choose from write this any words. So last write with this last words in the paragraph unity. So replace this. Replace this class. Okay. So option from here last replace all. So choose from replace all. Okay. All done. We made one replacement. Only one words from in this unity. Okay. And then replace this. Close this and check this. Last words we are choose unity and then replace this class. Okay. So different words we find in the documents and replace and other words in the document. Another words for choose this. So find command use Control plus F use for finds. So in this use from this words choose held, write this held and find this word held in the document. Okay, and then replace and other words. So click this replace, choose held and replace my name's Javed. Okay, replace all. Okay, replace all. We made one replacement. Do you want to continue? Okay, yes. Okay, and take it here and stop now. Okay, so held and find words held and then replace my name is Javed. Okay, this is a replacement. Find a replacement, and then last feature is insert current date and time in a document. So easy. So enter this paragraph and then insert this. So click this insert option and then second last option is date and time. So click this date and time. So today date is 8/12 and available in different format. So choose format. So we are choose this format. Okay, and then okay. This option here from update automatically. It means today date is 12 and then next date is 13. So date will be changed. Okay, we choose this option update automatically and then okay. So date and time from insert from this document, and date and time insert anywhere in the document from last here. So this here, and choose this, and then choose this, and then choose this, and so okay. Different format here for choose and insert the document anywhere in the place of the lines, paragraph, start and end of the paragraph. Okay. Thank you, dear students. Today we will discuss a practical task. Count words in a document, find, replace text, and insert date and time in a document. Okay. Okay, dear students. Thank you. Thank you so much.